Subscribe to Tech the Hanger to get latest tech updates and don't forget to click bell icon to get latest video notifications. Hello guys, this is Chris from Tech the Hanger. Today we are reviewing MI's Note 7 smartphone. Xiaomi announced $150 Redmi Note 7 with a 48 megapixel camera. Late last year, Xiaomi President Lin Bin teased an upcoming smartphone with 48 megapixel camera, and today the company has revealed it in full. Despite the eye-catching headline specs, it's turned out to be a product under the entry-level Redmi brand called Redmi Note 7. Design-wise, it looks very similar to Xiaomi's small and low-cost Mi Play announced a few weeks back, with a circular display notch, a back panel with colorful gradients, and a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and a rear dual cameras, one of which uses 48 megapixel image sensor and an f1.8 lens, the other of which is a 5 megapixel shooter and used for depth information only. The camera can take photos up to 48 million tiny 0.8 micron pixels in good lighting, or combine nearby pixels for what it's claimed to be equivalent of 12 megapixel photo taken with a large 1.6 micron pixels. At half an inch across, the sensor is physically quite a bit large than what typically found in smartphones, which would give you a strong light gathering capacity. Of course, hardware is not half the story with phone cameras, so we have to see how it works in practice. Elsewhere, the Redmi Note 7 has 6.3-inch 19:5:9 1080p screen, a Snapdragon 660 processor, a 13 megapixel selfie shooter, a 4000 mAh battery, USB Type-C, and a headphone jack. Last week, CEO Li Jun announced that the Redmi will now be operated as an independent brand, focusing on e-commerce and cost efficiency, leaving Xiaomi to concentrate on to the mid and high-end phones and physically retail. Various Redmi phones have been hugely popular in India in particular, but until now Xiaomi didn't go out of the way to highlight the brand itself. Now the Note 7 carries a new logo on the back saying Redmi by Xiaomi. The Redmi Note 7 starts at 999 yuan, roughly about $150 or Rs 10,000 for a model with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, rising to 1399 yuan, roughly equivalent to $200 or 14,500 rupees. For a 6GB RAM variant. On stage, Li made sure to compare the Note 7 to the two other 48 megapixel phones announced so far, the 2,999 yuan Honor V20 and 3,399 yuan Huawei Nova 4. The Redmi Note 7 will be available in China first, but should make its way to India and Xiaomi's other usual regions subsequently. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.